fantasy, yes, I have this respect and calmness and things like that, but thinking about like someone was born like this, like we have the same thing in Islam, like the things are like Adam and Eve and these things, so it doesn't fit my mind.
So I think Kars is asking if you had if it gave you the possibilities of contemplation and meditation.
Yeah.
Yes, with meditation. I was at that time actually I was practicing some sort of meditation as well. It wasn't just a Christianity, but it's like I don't know, maybe you know what it is. It's transcendental meditation. I was doing TM at that time. It's short sessions of meditation, about 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening.
And this kind of experience is coming into your drawings.
Yeah.
You want to
it comes. Yeah, because
show it.
You know why it comes? Because this is what I was trying all my life to do, and I think it's a very important part of being an artist, like learning because this is a path. This is not like a moment that you reach something. Like it's a path that you learn to be more transparent with yourself, whatever shape you are, whatever good you are, whatever who you are. It's like stay true to yourself, because when you're true, you're individual, and when you're individual, you're making individual work. So, and it will shine somehow, and it will have its own audience. And it speaks to the viewer right away like this, because it's true and it stays in your heart. Right away when you see the work, I can tell. Right away I can tell if he's lying, the artist, or not. If it's he or she is transparent with himself or not. So that is the main thing. If I have to say one thing for you, is that stay true to yourself. That is the most important. The rest will come. I mean, you learn how to do things that your mind says or your heart says or whatever. You learn the technique easily. You do everything. Many people, they know how to paint, but they are not true to themselves.
But how can you know who you are?
By observation. You observe yourself. You're in the place of constant observation. So, yes, you see yourself within yourself and without yourself.
But how can you observe yourself? That means that you have two people observing. You have to have two yous to be able. How do you do that?
I believe what I'm practicing with myself, that there is a small Pantea and there is a bigger Pantea. Everyone knows this inner voice. Everyone has the inner voice. So you start learning to hear the inner voice and to distinguish it from noises, and you learn to trust. You learn to trust the inner voice. Most of the time, inner voice knows much better than small Pantea. It's because she or he or whatever is the observer. I'm the doer. But where you can have some space between you and the other one. So it's not that there are two different people or two different voices. It's a one whole.
But I learned the words from outside, from other people.
But you internalize them, no? You do that because
but it's still always in moving.
It's changing constantly.
Constantly.
It's a constant change.
But would you say, if you draw it in the context of making work fantasy, would you say it has more to do with directness